This video will show you how to use the Vizio soundbar. To use the soundbar, what you want to do is turn on the TV with this TV remote right here. TV will come on. The soundbar is located right underneath the TV. Once the TV comes on, you'll hear the TV speakers. Okay. Now, if you want to hear the TV louder, or if you're watching a movie, you want to have better sound, what you want to do is use the sound bar. I pick up this remote, turn on the power button.
Don't go there.
Sorry, I didn't mean like that.
And now, you can raise and lower the volume just like this.
Maybe the director, maybe Eddie. I never had to make one of those calls before.
And that's how you use it. Now, if you want to use it for music as well, what you want to do is you want to turn on your Bluetooth on your smartphone and press this Bluetooth button right here, and you can play music from your phone as well. Hope this helps.